Hey everyone, we're back with the inserts for the paper bags, part 3 of the Kathryn Scraps Live Christmas in July series, I guess, where we're making a December daily style paper bag album. So I'm gonna do the inserts now that I am thinking about for the bags, so that you have plenty of space for photos. So I'm gonna put this away. For the time being. You're welcome, June Marie. Okay. So let me get my pad where I write everything. This is all the measurements so far if you want to take a screenshot. Okay, so this is inserts. And I want the inserts to have to be 6 1/4 by 4 1/4 total in size, so that you can put a photo right smack on them with no photo mat. Okay, so, and I want it to be in 3 pieces. I want 2 6 1/4 by 4 1/4 pieces, and then a flap that comes over them, which is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, so that you can get 2 small and 4 full-size photos. Or in this case, we're just going to put 3 by 4 photo mats on the outside flaps. But you guys can put photos. So in order to do that, we need one piece that is 7 1/4 by 4 1/4, and we need one piece that is 9 1/2 by 4 1/4. Okay, so we need one of each of these, and I guess I'll just make them out of this same brown cardstock. So let me grab them. Oops, I'm just leaving this here so you can either write it down or take a picture with your phone or take a screenshot, whatever. Okay. So this longer piece gets scored at 6 1/4, 3 1/4. Score it at 3 1/4 on the long side. And then this one, the 7 1/4 inch one, gets scored at 6 1/4. Okay, that's it. And then all we're gonna do is stick them together like this. And this is where the 3 by 4 photos go, and these are where the 4 by 6 photos go. So very simple mat, but it'll hold a lot of photos because you'll put 2 of these in each in each pocket. You'll put 2 in each pocket. So I guess I need to make 2 because I have, well, I technically need to make 4. I'm only going to make 1 now. And then I think what I'll do is off camera sometime I'll assembly line all of them because you need a total of 24. So all I'm going to do now is put a line of tape at the bottom of this. So yeah, you need 24 of these total. So just sit and make 24 of them one afternoon. Just put on something you really like and get them all done. And then I'm going to put a line of tape here. And burnish both of those and peel both of them. And then when you go to stick them down, you want to line this piece up with this one so that you can see a hair of the cardstock showing, and then pinch it around to the back. And that way you know that this will close flat and it won't bump into that score line. All right, easy, easy, easy. So super simple, and you can put a card here, photo, tiny photo here, full-size photo here, full-size photo here, full-size photo here. So you'll be able to get, if you did 2 photos here, so it'll be 2, 4, 6. So you get per bag, you can get 8 4x6s and 4 3x4s if you want. But any one of these can be a card instead. So we will decorate, not today because I'm gonna be done now. But we will decorate all of them as we go with 3x4 cards and 4x6 cards here. Probably, we'll see. But that's it. That's how you do the inserts. You need 24 of those for the whole project. Guys, thanks so much for joining me. It's been fun so far. I'm really enjoying it. I don't know when the next class will be. It'll be the next time, you know, Mr. Lifeguard's off doing his thing and he needs some time, and you know, we'll see. Hopefully in a few days my finger will be hurting less and it'll be less annoying. But I really appreciate you spending Saturday afternoon with me. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.